Hello, today we got a pack of Fleer 91 Ultra Baseball. Let's see what kind of magic we can pull. Damn thing doesn't want to open. Here we go. Alright. Atlanta Braves sticker. John Smoltz. Is that a John Smoltz rookie? Alright, we'll put John Smoltz right there. Terry Mulholland, Junior Ortiz. Oh, we got a Bo Jackson Ultra Team Fleer. All right, we'll put Bo knows the stand. Doug Drabeck, Denny Nagel, Ray Langford, Ron Darling, Roberto Kelly. We've got a Barry Bonds, Lee Smith, Jose DeJesus, and Jeff Russell. All right. Not too bad. All right. Thank you so much for watching.